Ever wondered how a metal box counts, verifies, and dispenses your cash perfectly in a matter of seconds? It all begins the moment you insert your card. Once inside, the machine aggressively locks it in. High-friction rubber motorized rollers violently grab your card, pulling it deep into the secure reading module. Sharp gold-plated pins violently forcefully snap down onto the microchip, instantly establishing a highly secure electrical handshake. When you type your PIN, you are forcefully pressing heavy steel switches that send a pure electrical signal. This signal instantly hits a heavily armored cryptoprocessor, violently scrambling your PIN into an unbreakable mathematical code.
The ATM aggressively blasts this encrypted code through underground fiber optic cables at the speed of light. In milliseconds, the bank server violently fires back a green light of approval, awakening the heavy machinery. The real action happens deep down below, inside a massive, heavily armored solid steel vault. Inside this fortress sit the cash cassettes, holding thousands of bills under extreme mechanical spring tension.
A heavy-duty textured rubber pick roller violently aggressively slams down, ripping a single bill from the tight stack. If two bills stick together, a violently aggressive reverse spinning wheel forcefully kicks the bottom bill back. The single bill is then violently whipped into a high-speed vertical highway of tightly gripping rubber belts. A blinding laser violently slices through the paper, measuring its microscopic thickness in a fraction of a second. It aggressively races under an intense UV light, forcing hidden security threads to violently glow neon. A heavy magnetic sensor aggressively scans the ink, detecting microscopic iron particles hidden inside the numbers. Based on the scans, a heavy metal gate violently, aggressively snaps into position in milliseconds. If the bill is fake or damaged, it is violently thrown into a secure metal reject bin. Good bills fly into a rapidly spinning star wheel that aggressively catches and perfectly stacks them together.
Once the count is perfect, heavy metal plates violently, aggressively clamp the entire stack into a tight bundle.
A heavily geared mechanical arm violently shoves the tightly clamped bundle toward the exit. A secure mechanical shutter violently snaps open, aggressively pushing your cash out into your hands. Meanwhile, a scorching hot thermal printer aggressively burns your receipt data directly into paper. A razor-sharp internal steel blade violently, forcefully, completing the transaction. A silent, heavily armored Mechatronics, working perfectly to protect and deliver your money.